So, using the proper credit card could help you save significant money, but consumer advisor Clark Howard warns it only works if you pay off your balances in full each month.
Now, new at 4, Clark is breaking down what you need to know.
If you want it to be easy to save money day in and day out, and you use plastic, you want to use the right plastic, the right ways to get it done. Let's say you're a member of Sam's Club or Costco Wholesale. Along with your membership, you can have a free credit card that gives you great rewards at either store. You shop regularly at Target. You want the red card. And for general shopping, the one you gotta have is a card that gives you cash back. The key target you want to look for, 2% minimum cash back on everything. The cards that say rotating categories and all that, but regularly give you 1% on typical purchases, don't recommend those. You want one that day in and day out, without you having to think about it, gives you good earning power on every dollar you spend when you shop. But it only works for people who pay their balance in full, because cards with good rewards charge really high interest rates when you don't pay your balance in full each month. I'm Clark Howard.